Ooh, look at the cookies.
Hi, Katie. I'm Lisa. I'm the baker here.
Hi, Lisa. You baked these cookies?
I did.
Wow. What kinds are there? What kind's this?
Lemon shortbread. Cranberry shortbread. Our chocolate chunk, which is delicious.
They look amazing.
Our Empire biscuits.
All right.
And down below is our ginger molasses, our oatmeal raisin, and our most popular, Jason's favorite.
This is the most popular?
It is.
Jason's favorite cookie looks amazing.
Yeah, would you like to come make some?
The cookies?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Okay, come on.
Let's go, everybody.
So this is where we do all of the baking.
Wow.
We have our oven, our fridges, and our mixer where we're gonna make the cookies today. Let's get started.
Okay.
Okay, so let's make some Jason's fave.
Yay.
We're gonna start by adding some butter.
Wow, lots of butter.
Lots of butter. And some sugar, brown sugar. And then we're just gonna turn it on.
Okay.
On speed 1. And we're just gonna let it cream up.
Wow. So how long does it spin for?
It just spins until the butter disappears, which it looks pretty good about now. And then we're just gonna add our eggs.
Okay. There they go. The eggs are already all beaten.
Yeah, with some vanilla. And we're good. And now we have our flour
It's a lot of flour.
and our baking soda. And it all gets dumped in one big bowl. Just like that. And then we turn it back on and it's gonna make a cloud of mess.
Okay. I guess that's why you wear aprons.
Yeah. And then just when it's about to be all mixed up, that's when we add in our lot of chocolate, our white, our milk, and our dark chocolate chips.
Okay, let's do it.
All right. And then we turn it back on. So that's pretty much done. Yeah, it's so good. And then now we just take it off and we're gonna scoop it.
Okay. So all the dough is ready to go in the oven.
All the dough's ready to go. So now we're gonna scoop the cookies and get
Okay.
them ready to go into the oven.
Great.
So we just take our scoop.
Is that an ice cream scoop?
It is an ice cream scoop. So all the cookies are the same size.
That's smart.
Yeah, do you wanna try?
Yes, please. Okay. Here we go. These are gonna be so good.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah?
Yeah,
All right.
that's great.
That was fun. So now they go in the oven?
Now they go in the oven and they just bake for not very long, a few minutes, and then they're delicious and hot and ready to go.
Can't wait.
Okay.
All right, let's see.
Okay, so now we're gonna put them in the oven.
Neat oven.
Yep. And they're gonna bake for 8 minutes, and then we're gonna turn the tray and bake them for another 8 minutes.
Okay, so now we wait.
So now we're gonna turn them so that they bake evenly.
Wow, they're already so much bigger.
Yep. So now we set up another 8 minutes, and we wait.
Okay, wait some more.
So they're done.
Whoa.
So now we just have to take them out and wait for them to cool down.
They smell amazing.
And once they're cool, we package them up so that people can take them home. Just like this.
So someone will come into the bakery and buy the delicious cookies you made, take them home and enjoy them.
Yes, would you like to take some home?
Yeah, I'd love to share some with my friends. That'd be great.
Great, let's go.
Thank you. Lisa, thank you so much for having us at the Flaky Tart. Everything smells so good.
Thanks for coming. Here's some for you to take home for your friends.
Thank you.
And here's one for you for right now.
Ooh, I can't wait to try Jason's favorite cookie. Okay. It's so warm and gooey and so good. Jason's favorite cookie is now Caitie's favorite cookie.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you so much.
See ya.